Hey everyone, welcome back to Codemaster Lab. If you are new here, my name is Manohar and I create in-depth tutorials on CodeIgniter 4 and web development. In this video, we will prepare a powerful feature in CodeIgniter 4, Remap. This function allows you to control how methods are executed inside a controller. By the end of this tutorial, you will understand how Remap works and when to use it. If you are learning about CodeIgniter, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon so never miss your updates. What is Remap? In CodeIgniter 4, Remap is a special method that allows us to override the default method execution behavior in controller. Whenever a request is made, Remap intercepts it before any method runs to handle all the requests through a single function, to enforce access control or login, to create a dynamic page routing. Let's dive into the code and see Remap in action. First, inside the controllers folder, we will open a home controller, which is our default controller. In this, we will create a function Remap. It takes two parameters, one is method and parameters. If method exists, then this method is executed, the method will be executed, else we will show a custom 404 error page. So for that we will create a private function with show 404 page, where we have already created a 404 page in view. So just we will return this 404 page. Now we will visit our localhost CI4. Here you can access home terms. Then you can also access home privacy. Now if I click on articles, home articles, it is showing 404 error. Why? Because we can see there is no function with articles. So for that reason, Remap has evaluated it and showing the custom 404 message. That's how you can redirect your users to any specific page of your website if that function is not available in your controller. So that's how you can use Remap in CodeIgniter 4 to control how your controller methods are executed. Now I would like to hear from you. Have you used Remap before? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Codemaster Labs for more CodeIgniter 4 tutorials. See you in the next one.